I'm cooking ground meat and pasta. It's more like Italian style. I'm going to add a little bit oregano. This is right here, oregano. This is dry and powder. So I'm going to just add less than half spoon. The fresh oregano is right here. I'm not going to add it just to show purpose actually. So I have big plant here, is wildly grown. So now I'm going to add this one. This is a red sweet pepper. Red onion is all not a chopped but sloppy chopped. This is the green pepper. It's also sweet, it's not hard. Here is a garlic, chopped garlic. So this is tomato paste. So I put it on top so it doesn't get stick when I pour in here. So here, this going right here. Now I'm going to mix it. I will cook it slow fire. I just put one cup of water, and the rest of it is a little oil which dropped by ground meats on meat oil actually. I did not put any oil in here. It will cook in the ground meat oil. So I will cook like a 15-20 minutes, then I'm going to boil pasta. Then I will make a final video right here. So it's very fast cooking.